at least 34 people have died in rain-related incidents in the past 3 days in Uttar Pradesh. 10 of those deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. According to government data, out of 34, 17 died in lightning strikes, 12 due to drowning and 5 in flash floods and landslides triggered by heavy rain. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath announced a relief amount of 4 lakh rupees to the family of the deceased and assured proper treatment to those injured in various natural calamities. Uttar Pradesh has already received 11% excess rainfall during this monsoon season. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to visit France on July 13 to 14. Modi received an invitation as the guest of honor at the Bastille Day parade in France. This marks a very rare occasion as France is not known for inviting foreign dignitaries every year to the Bastille Day parade. PM Modi's visit to France holds immense importance as it is expected to further strengthen the strategic partnership shared by the two nations. In a bid to finalize the bilateral agenda and the possible outcomes of the two-day visit, the diplomatic advisor to French President Emmanuel Macron, Emmanuel Bon, visited New Delhi on Thursday. This year, India and France are celebrating the completion of 25 years of strategic partnership. 2 days after Panchayat elections in West Bengal plunged into chaos, fresh violence broke out in Cooch Behar. The people of 19 districts in Bengal are again casting their votes in 696 booths. This comes a day after the State Election Commission declared Saturday's polling in these places as void amid allegations of tampering with ballot boxes and violence that left at least 19 dead. The repolling began at 7 a.m. and will be held till 5 p.m. Tight security with 4 Central Forces personnel is deployed in each of these booths, besides the state police. A total of 5.67 crore people living in the state's rural areas were eligible to decide the fate of 2.06 lakh candidates in over 73,000 seats of the Panchayat system. Torrential rains pounded several parts of North India on Sunday. Reports reveal that 19 people were killed in landslides and other rain-related incidents across the country. Heavy downpour warnings have been issued for certain areas of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. Delhi recorded its highest rainfall in a single day in July since 1982. Delhi authorities have cautioned over the rising water level of the Yamuna. In Uttarakhand, 3 pilgrims drowned in the Ganga. 2 people were killed in Jammu and Kashmir after a landslide hit a passenger bus. On Saturday, bodies of 2 soldiers were recovered in the Poonch district of the Union Territory. Heavy monsoon rains in several parts of Punjab and Haryana led to massive waterlogging and flooding in low-lying areas.